Alright, what's going on, you guys? So, we're actually out here at the RC track. If you didn't notice from all behind me. We got the pit bike out here. We're actually gonna see if the track can stand the pit bike. Or, I guess, if it can even run around this thing. It's pretty tight, as you can kind of tell, but it's small.
I believe it'll fit just fine, actually.
Oh yeah, it'll do great.
Just because it's small.
Yeah.
In long run, so... Got a 4-year-old, right? And if I can get him trained on this nice and good, get him started in the early stages on a simple track, just wait. Just wait till the 450 class comes.
Oh, yeah.
Then we'll all be in that same class.
Right. So I'm thinking we're going to run GoPros for while we're riding. I'll also do some footage off of this other camera so you guys can see also what's going on the outside. So we're going to get right into this one. This is going to be a really good video. I don't know how much...
warmed up and
Yeah. I don't know how much we're going to do, but we're going to send the fuck out of this thing for a little bit. Oh, goddamn.
really mad chainsaw, you know?
Yep.
I figured out an issue. Yeah? Yeah.
Alright guys, well as you saw from me kicking the shit out of it, little Johnny kicking the shit out of it, wasn't wanting to start back up, so we were going through the carburetor, and well, while little Johnny was doing a little bit of research on it, turns out, I guess you can make them a little bit quicker if you remove the second jet, so I guess we're going to give it a try while we've already got the carburetor torn apart.
Yeah.
So,
long story short, so this little brass jet right here, there's one right here, and it's kind of like a set screw, and then there's another one that's right below, which I will actually show you real quick. So, let me get this thing out here. Smallest screwdriver would have helped, huh?
probably.
It's okay, smallest one I got
Yep.
right now. And there is your second jet. Surprise, surprise. Right there.
So the one on the right,
Yeah,
small one.
yeah. Right there. Anyway, so we're not going to take that second one out. That one stays. That is the entire key to this whole plan. So we're going to take and clean all the jets and all that good fun stuff with some good old carb cleaner. And then we will put it all back together. And we might actually end up checking this here airbox. This thing looks fucking monkeyed.
Yeah, that thing looks disgusting.
Oh, gross.
Yeah. She already sounds better. Yeah. it's not the most powerful thing in the world, but hey, you know, it's something fun to ride around the yard. Right? Would be great for some kids, you know. Overall, they're great bikes. This thing's old as shit. So. Little thing does just alright. It doesn't necessarily like hills, but I mean, it'll do them. Yeah, as you guys probably hear it slowing down. Got her opened up. Does not ride on the pavement, it just doesn't like yards apparently. Hell yeah. Alright guys, well, I just got done with my run on it. There's our max. I'm surprised for this little thing. What do you think it is?
I don't know. You came by pretty quick on that last one. 20.
31.
Nuh-uh. God damn.
Yeah, dude, as soon as I saw that, holy shit.
That's awesome.
Right? So there you guys go. That's about your top speed down a hill with someone that weighs about 130 pounds.
So the jetting, the second jet being removed, obviously made a difference there. It does help on the first kick start up, especially after warm up, of course.
Yeah.
Made the choke work a lot better. New chain, next to spark plug, big bore kit, another new chain, and we'll go from there.
Yep. Yeah, we got a lot of shit we're going to do to this fucking thing.
Yeah. Yeah, we do.
Oh, yeah. She's going to look pretty and nice and ride real good when she's done. Got her back in the garage. We just got that all tied up. We're going to end today's video, but before we do, we're going to take a little tour real quick. So we got a golf cart. We got a lawnmower. We has bodies. We got metal laying everywhere. Axles. The two projects are already done. We still have that push mower. So if you guys happen to have any ideas on anything you guys want to see it on the channel,
Drop her in the comments.
yeah, leave a comment, because I mean, we can obviously manage something on our own, but we want to know what you guys want to see. What kind of crazy shit have you guys always wanted to put together but haven't had time to? Maybe we can make it happen. So let us know.
The time to put the comments, we'll take the time to actually do it, or
Yes.
at least go through them and see which ones are worth doing.
Yeah, for sure. So with that being said, we're going to end today's video. If you guys did enjoy, please leave a like and a comment down below letting us know. Subscribe if not already. If you're watching our content, you should be subscribed.
Hit that bell.
Yes, do it. I always forget that. That's why he's here. Go get your merch. All the links down in the description, as well as Twitter and Instagram. And then go find me for the Haunted Castle House out in Berkeley. If you guys want to see me and this crazy fucker and possibly some other people go out there and try and hunt some ghosts. A little different from what we usually do. But I figured it'd be a fun idea for you guys to see. So we'll catch you guys in the next one.
Deuces.
Deuces.